Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this amazing blackout curtain for your window. Here's a look at the instruction manual. As you can see, here is a bracket. Here's a little thing you use to pull down the shade. You'll attach that on the bottom. And then you've got 2 drywall anchors and 2 screws for each of the brackets. You'll have 2 brackets if you have shorter shades, 4 brackets if you have longer shades. I have 4 in this example. And it shows you how to do it for the outside and the inside mount. Taking a look up here, I'm just putting this over my current shades, and you can see I installed the bracket, and then there's 2 screws. I have the drywall anchors behind there, and then I've marked each of the spots for me to put the rest of the mounts. So I got 4 of those total. We now have all the mounts installed, and the brackets are mounted in. As you can see, you just had to slide up this back ridge into that ridge and then press this in to allow it to sit in there, and that just snaps into place. Alrighty, I went ahead and installed a curtain. As you can see, it looks very elegant at the top there. Doesn't pop out too much. And as you can see, it is super sturdy. It's not going anywhere. And I installed this handle on. I actually put it on backwards so that it will catch the top of my current shutters and stay in place. But you easily just grab it, pull it down, and look at that. Blocks off the entire window very nicely. And no light comes in. It's really a wonder how much light this thing blocks. So it ensures that you get a great sleep and that you wake up feeling refreshed. Super smooth. As you can see, you can stop it wherever you like. Boom. Overall, I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.